Hey, how's it going, traders? In this video, I'm going to break down ticker symbol DWAC, as well as the best trade I've ever made in my entire career today. So what stocks did we trade, and what strategy did we use that led to our success? So all that and more, coming right up. So you are probably sitting here watching this wondering, why did I not buy this morning at market open? Well, I was thinking the exact same thing. So we were live trading this morning from 9:15 EST to 10:15 EST. We live stream every single day on our TikTok at profit_chasers. And so we were live streaming this morning, and what happened was I zoomed into this and saw, okay, it made a really good move, but sold off all the way back to $10. It wasn't a good pre-market setup. In fact, it was a terrible pre-market setup. No, I did not even read the news. I didn't give it that much peace of mind because I was like, if it's a terrible setup already, it's not worth watching. So I deleted it off my watch list. Soon to find out, the former president himself came out with his own social media platform called Truth. He did this to combat some of the negative liberal media that use censorship and cancel culture to kind of cancel him out. Obviously, probably was in spite of his Twitter account and his Instagram account getting deleted. But I think, this stock has huge potential. Now, do I like it at this given price point for a swing trade? Heck no. It's extremely overvalued right now. I don't even think they came out with any real news of this said platform. There's no integration that we got to see or anything. Now, I do think it has some awesome potential because even if it takes 10% of Facebook's users, 1 in every 10, which it probably will, a lot of users have been getting banned because of censorship. This stock will definitely make an awesome move in the long term. But at the given moment, at this price, it's up 700% on the day. It's absolutely absurd. But how do we trade it going into today? Well, like I said, we were live streaming at 9:15 to 10:15 EST, and we did not make a single trade today. In that live stream, we did not trade the stock. I forgot about the stock. Then I saw it was trending a little bit more on certain platforms when I was editing later in the day. It was around 11:30 or so, and it really started gapping up there. So I switched focus, I watched it, and then I was buying for the break of $30. Now, I bought for the break of $30, and it squeezed all the way up to $50 a share. Now, what I was looking for is in these chat rooms of thousands upon thousands of people that invested in DWAC, they all were planning on selling at around $50 a share. So they had that price target in mind. Now, I also know that whole dollars can act as really good resistance lines, meaning when it approaches $30 a share, when it approaches $40 a share, and when it approaches $50 a share. Plus, it was the halfway point to $100 a share, so I knew there was going to be some turmoil at those levels. So I held. I did sell a little bit in the higher 40 to lock in some profit because I wasn't quite sure if it was going to break 50. I bought more and it broke 40, and I sold the rest at $50.50. There's 46. You want to see a squeeze up to $50 a share. We do not want to be holding over 50 because I don't think it'll have a good time breaking $50 a share. We're going to sell a little bit more here. We are holding quite a bit still. We're going to hold about 40% left because we want to see a squeeze up to $48. I think it's going to have trouble breaking 50. Actually, I'm going to sell one more time. So I have one more time I could sell. I'm interested to see how well it'll break. Okay, there's 50 on the ask. That's my last price target. It broke 50. 400% on the day. That is momentum. That's real momentum. To think we were crap talking it this morning. I'm going to need to take a second. Wow. That's crazy. So as you can see in the right side of my screen, my daily P&L was $52,800. Now, this paired really well because yesterday I made just under $11,000, and the day before that I made just over $8,000. So what you see as traders is your big green days clump together and your big red days clump together, and my goodness, my big green days did come together. So like I said, I bought for the break of 30, added more at 40, and sold all of them, all my shares, at $50 a share. I wasn't quite confident in it holding $50 a share, and honestly, it retested $50, and now it's up to $70. So what's my game plan heading into tomorrow? Do I plan swing trading it? Do I plan day trading it? Well, I anticipate it pulling on back early tomorrow morning, people selling, and then a decent run up at market open, maybe breaking all-time highs. Now, currently it's set at $74, but this could definitely go all the way to $100 a share. Not saying that it's going to. All I'm saying is I anticipate it probably selling off this morning, tonight, and then tomorrow morning probably having a really nice push up to all-time highs. So I will plan on buying when it breaks all-time highs for a squeeze up to $100. That is my plan. If it does that, I could very easily open tomorrow and continue to sell off. That's why I'm not invested into it right now. I want to wait for a little bit more confirmation. Plus, it's so overbought. It's not even funny. 700% on the day. That is absolutely absurd. But I wouldn't be shocked if this thing squeezes up to $100 a share tomorrow. Now, this is really good for the stock market because this shows light to a lot of traders that momentum is back in the market. This entire summer has been terrible for the small cap and the mid cap market. In the last few days, we've had some really good opportunities. And by having this squeeze up to almost 1,000% in one day shows that momentum is back in the market. So I'm super excited for quarter four. Like I said, we're going to end almost $100,000 profit on this week alone. So we're super excited for quarter four. Again, I think it's going to be a very good quarter compared to the last two quarters. Watching out for the small cap market, this means I'm increasing my position sizing. This means I'm going to let runners run a little bit more and not look to lock in profit so quickly. I'm really excited to continue to trade. Now, if you guys want to learn how to trade or you want to trade alongside me every single day, click the first link in the description and join the Discord. Again, we go live every single morning, and we were trading this morning. We actually went live again at noon, so you guys can watch me trade this and make over $50,000 profit in one day. Anyways, if you guys have any questions about DWAC, about the company, about where I think it's headed in the short term and long term, shoot me a DM or leave it in the comments. I'll be happy to answer it. Other than that, guys, if you guys got any value out of this video, please consider liking and subscribing. But other than that, I will see you in the very next video. Have a good day, guys.